for going green was, if your business decides to go green, then you'll reduce costs and help preserve the environment. Green buildings have been in effect for the past 30 years. They started during the Industrial Revolution. In the late 1800s to 1900s, solar energy was used for steam power. In the 1970s was when green buildings went from thoughts and developments into realities. Due to the energy crisis, builders and facility managers were finding ways to reduce their dependency on fossil fuels. In the past 30 years, ways to go green in facilities have become more important, innovative, and groundbreaking. Facilities will move more and more to a green movement due to the efficiency and long-term reduction of costs and expenses. You may be wondering, what does going green mean? Well, according to All Recycling Facts, here are a few things what going green means. The first part of going green is reducing pollution. A lot of products we use in the workplace can cause pollution, for example, hand soap. A solution for this would be getting all natural hand soaps from recycled materials, which will overall help the environment. Another thing would be rewarding your employees to take public transportation. This will reduce the exhaust that is released into the air and help overall save the environment. The next part is conserving energy. In the workplace, lights are always left on. When you leave a light on, this is just wasted energy. It is also wasted money. A solution for this would be getting light motion sensors. Installing light motion sensors at first will cost more, but over a period of time, it will save you money. What these do is when someone enters the room, the light will come on. When there's no motion later on, the light will go off. It's as simple as that. Third is conserving resources. The Earth's resources are limited. Therefore, we need to conserve what we have before there's nothing left. A very simple solution to this would be checking your everyday materials that you use within your inventory and make sure everything you have is a necessity only. If there are things that you can do to cut them out, then do it. Fourth, we have reducing consumption and waste. Every day there's millions of items within facilities that are wasted and or used in excess. Reusing and recycling helps us reduce the consumption of new materials and helps us reduce waste. There is now such thing as green managers. They must ensure the longevity of a business with investments. Green managers are more sought for in today's industry. They can get a green certificate to become a green manager after taking a paid class. Overall, this saves money for the company. Now to discuss how your facility and operation can start going green. The first thing that we discussed with Office Depot is that we can start buying remanufactured ink and toner cartridges. These cost on average 15% less than other national brands and come with a 100% money back guarantee. One cartridge keeps approximately 2.5 pounds of metal and plastic out of landfill. Next, we have buying high post-consumer recycled content paper. According to Conservatory in 2004, over 90% of all printing paper contained no recycled content. If you go through Home Depot and buy their red top paper, it contains 10% post-consumer recycled content and is one of the least expensive papers on the market. Next, another simple step would be changing your light bulb to compact fluorescent light bulbs. If you walk around any office building, you are almost guaranteed to see the lights that are left on. One 100-watt light bulb left on for an hour every day consumes 36.5 kilowatt hours of energy per year. That is millions upon millions of energy that is being used that is not necessary within the environment. Like I said before, a simple way to reduce is to turn off the light. Going green is more and more integrated and prominent in the world of facilities today. Through building and going green, it will enhance lighting, heating, cooling, and water systems. Green building codes will most likely be put into place. It will be more and more common to see buildings incorporate alternate energy systems, such as fuel cells, geothermal energy, solar power, and potentially wind power. That was a video of a company named Actiu, which is an LED company, which means they are a leadership in energy and environmental design.